go.
It's in there, yeah. The only thing we didn't do on the way to, because we didn't been the winter, was put the windscreen wipers on, so we were trying it on the way, but we pulled them out of the tub, but we couldn't put them on.
Have you seen the coffee and all that?
Well, we've got them out of the duck.
Come off of that.
Yeah, it goes on to that.
Yeah, it's not. I was thinking that's what we left. Went the scenic route.
Yeah, no, it's better that way, isn't it? What was that little bobble cart thing that went out? Two-seater, the old
We're lost in. How's that then, Scott? I like that truck.
Oh, nice. I completely missed that.
There we go. What we got? Ford.
50. Oh.
Right, I'm in the Tubley pit.
So wheat.
I'm going.
Just leave it all open.
I just parked on the little road just down there. There's a hillbilly job. Big park.
Nice rat truck. Nice rat truck.
Yeah. On the hillbilly job though, isn't it?
I like it.
Right, okay.
You can imagine all the bodies going in there, can't you?
Yeah.
On that film.
Oh yeah.
It's really nice.
So look in the window. Oh. Not sure what that is.
Ford? Not that much.
That's what I'm saying. I thought if I take my own car, at least I can control that. See you later, chaps. Cheers.
Yeah, he's got a... Is that a 13 ball?
Oh, right. I'll see you before then.
Just leave some crap in there. Makes it look better.
It's alive.
It's really good.
I'm sold now. This is me
Some
Black car that was behind the Ford.
Look at that land yacht over there.
It's got like carve up or carve down lights.
Yeah.
Where did they carve up?
Lincoln.
Continent.
Lincoln Continental, eh? And we're walking, and we're walking. What's the size of that thing? And there's a Bel Air behind it. An older. Have a look at this Bel Air. CR6. Yeah, the top reading. Wooden running board.
Why wooden running board?
Literally a board.
And I went back in the sun again.
That's a weird looking one.
No, it's an Ultra. It is an Ultra.
It's not a mini.
This is the body of a mini, just altered.
It is. A Zodiac. It's Elf.
Elf.
Yeah. Wolseley.
Just it's different.
Wolseley Hornet, not an
Mark
Elf.
III.
That's the other version. Yeah.
So it's not an Austin, it's not a Morris, it's a Wolseley.
Yeah.
Even though it's probably everything a mini is. And a bit of extra stuff, like a bigger boot.
Back to the Zodiac. Look at that. Estate.
I'm gonna go look at the engine in the Boss.
Galaxy.